Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of high fashion. Well, sort of. First things first, let's add our Vogue title. Grab the horizontal type tool from the toolbar on the left. Type out your title, keeping in mind the overall design of your cover. Click on the Move tool on the left panel and resize the text using the transform handles to your preference. Now, to achieve the text behind Object Effect, we need to separate the background from our image. So head over to the Layers panel and double-click the background layer to unlock it. Next, we're going to isolate our subject from the background. With the background layer selected, navigate up to the menu bar and click on Select and then Subject. Alright, so with the subject beautifully selected, let's create the mask. Click on the text layer in the Layers panel to make it active. Now, down in the Layers panel again, find the button that looks like a rectangle with the circle inside. That's the Other Layer Mask button. Click on that. Now here comes the cool part. Let's lock the background layer to avoid any accidental edits. Head up to the menu bar and click on Image, then navigate down to Adjustments and finally select Invert. This will reveal the text where the background used to be. And voila! You now have the text beautifully placed behind your subject. At this point, I'll go ahead to add some other components to my design like this barcode and some extra text for a more authentic looking cover. Feel free to play around with the text color, size, and font to match your overall design. You can even add additional text layers and follow the same steps to create a multi-layered Vogue masterpiece. That's all it takes to create a stunning Vogue cover with the text behind Object Effect in Photoshop. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can elevate your designs to a whole new level. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below letting me know what kind of design tutorials you'd like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more creative content. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!
I know I drive you crazy. Put you down, I won't be lazy, it's true. She says she want dance, waiting me, I know. All over the floor, I'm a piano. Choking hands, that's not how we do. Open scenario, show me waiting you video. Saga, I wanna get me like a sample of that. Wind down, I'll be in